Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is dwindle. It is pronounced Dwindle and spelt D-W-I-N-D-L-E. Think wind with a D at the beginning, and then L-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children to master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Dwindle means to gradually become smaller, fewer, or less in number or size. It's a way to describe something that is gradually decreasing. For example, you could say, the number of customers in the shop dwindled as the day went on. Or, the frozen ice on the lake dwindled as the temperature rose. The word dwindle comes from the Old English word dwindan, which means to become smaller or to decrease. See the connection? In the book The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein, the tree's once plentiful branches and leaves gradually dwindle away as it gives everything it has to the boy, eventually becoming just a stump. The tree dwindles until there's barely anything left, symbolizing the sacrifices made out of love. Synonyms for dwindle are decrease, shrink, and decline. Antonyms for dwindle are increase, grow, and expand. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, dwindle. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.